Hey guys, Apple Maniac YT here. I know, I should probably stop buying stuff off eBay, but as you can tell, I have not stopped buying phones off eBay. So, like my last 4 videos, we have another package. Now, inside of this package should be a 16GB gold iPhone 6 running iOS 8.4 that I got for $11. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And of course, it's from eBay, because that's all I buy from. And I seem to have cut into the contents of this black wrapping. Remove that. Okay. And I thought I'd seen it all. This is an iPhone 6 wrapped in a little bit of cardboard and plastic bags. How interesting. Put the knife away. And here is the iPhone 6. Nice. Not in the best condition. And the LCD does have a bit of damage. All right, let's try to turn this on and just hope. There we go. So you can see the LCD damage immediately. It's pretty severe, but it won't stop us from setting up the phone. Now, unlike my iOS 8.4.1 iPhone 6 Plus, this device does not have Find My iPhone turned on, meaning I can just set it up. I do not need to bypass the iCloud activation lock on it. Oh, never mind, it's already been set up. Nice. There we go. Go ahead and go to settings, general, and about. You can see 16GB running iOS 8.4. And I do not believe that there is an iCloud account attached. No, there's not, because it showed the setup screen in the listing. There we go. This is an iPhone 6 running iOS 8.4. All right, so as you can tell, it definitely needs a new screen. Although the touchscreen is still functioning on here, the LCD is not. And it could go for a new housing. It's got a little dent. I could probably get it out if I really tried, but it'd be better off with a new housing. The sides are actually in decent condition, so I might just get the dent out, save myself a couple bucks, but I'm honestly not sure yet. But anyways, this is it. This is my new iOS 8.4 iPhone 6. Pairs nicely with my iOS 8.3 one and my 8.4.1 6 Plus. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and just like any other Apple Maniac YT video, peace out, guys.